something that is happening now. At least not in the end, like we suffer the same fate as his father.
I do not. That remains to be seen.
Mayor, is it not a good idea for Vice President Sara answer
Nag-answer na ng question sila eh. Yung quad man ang sira.
yung how did she
Pina-explain na niya muna yung ano niya. Kasi hindi pa tapos ang COA. Kaya niya sinulatan na huwag mag-entertain magkuha ng papel kasi yung documents are for the COA. So that if COA would, 6 months yan eh. COA would be asking additional documents. Hindi sila magkagarapa maghanap kasi nandiyan na lahat. Ina-investiga na nga eh. Eventually, mag-testify nila. Pero yung mga documents muna, hindi yan trabaho ng... Kaya wag na... Alam mo, dumaan ako pagka-presidente. Not for anybody, not for anything else. Meron tayong problema. Malaking problema. Sabi ko, insignificant yung nangyari dyan kay Lopez pati kay Inday. Binata man yung pre-pre, patay-patayan. Itong lukulukong Malacanang, ang problema niya, isa pa dyan, yung National Security Advisor tungkol si alam mo naman yan, hindi namin kaya yun.
Gusto nila ipalabas na palalabasin mayor na nagnakaw ng pera si Vice.
Yeah, wala pa ng order eh. Gusto na nila palabasin gano'n. Tama yung kay Inday because Ordentuer, sabi niya, pasensya na dyan, kaya yung forerunner sa presidency. Gusto ata na rin yung Martin, maging presidente. So, hindi naman masama. Eh, ayaw ko magsalita because everybody has the right to dream. If Inday wants to be also, she can also dream. So wala tayong ano dyan. Ang tingin ko ang mas mabigat na problema na dapat malaman ng Pilipino is nag-hemorrhage ang country. Pati yung PhilHealth nga na hindi sa gobyerno, contribution na natin yan kasi kung magpa-hospital ka, noon yung may pambayad ka, depende sa ano mo, category yung rates mo. Kung ibang iyo, dividendo ba talaga na full o maglabas mo, wala ka ng bayaran. Yun ang ano noon, yung 16 billion na nilipat nila. That is the most dangerous at dapat utang inestapay. Government malverse the money of the people. Ginamit mo yung pera ng ano? And even Congress cannot do that. Trust fund yun eh. Galing inyo yun. Pati akin. Contribution yun natin para pag nagkasakit ka ng cancer, uterus, may pa-opera ka. Ang nawala ang ating PhilHealth funds natin lahat was about 8.9 billion
80.8.
89.8 89 billion. Of that 89 billion, 27 na lang ang nawala. 27 na lang ang natira. Pero paano yan? Hindi man ano nang gagawin. Ang akin is, bakit nila pinakialaman?
Pero Mr. President, if you see that it is really, may estafa case, na yan, ang problema ganito, if we're going to file a case sa courts, but the justice system, the courts is a government yun eh.
No, big court ang pumapasok ang Supreme Court. Kaya hinintuan mo na sila eh. Huwag mong pakialaman yan, kaya hindi yan inyo. Ako, piskal ako, ang alam mong inalbas nila yung pera eh. Ang naiwan kasi 29 billion lang. Out of the 89, 29 na lang.
But can we say,
Saan ang pera namin?
Sabi to, binalik ngayon.
Ano, ibalik mo wala maghiram nga ng pera eh. Ang gobyerno na ito, walang project. Wala ka nakikita ng project. Maintenance na lang. Kasi ayuda, ayuda. Tupad. Naubos yun. Naubos ni Romualdez sa... Kasi Romualdez, congressman lang, pero left and right ang pamigay niya. Oo, may 5 mail kayo ngayon. Kita sa CCTV ko ulit. Pera na. Sus, Mario Sergio Romualdez. Oy. Nahawa ka naman sana sa amin. Ang Maharlika Fund, ang target nila sa ito ang 250 billion. Kinuna nila ang GSIS ng 62.5 billion. Yan, pera rin ng mga taga-gobyerno yung empleyado. Kami, sa namin. Sa mga trabahante yan, housing loan ka, ito, kinuha, binigay para ayuda. Ang mga membro nito, hindi na magka-loan, enrollment ng mga bata, mahirapan sila nito kasi magkakaroon ito ng anomaly sa flow ng ang SESS, kinuha rin 62 billion. Private na yan. Para sa mga empleyado, LBP 62 billion. DBP 62 billion. Kaya yan sa sundalo, pati yung retirement nila patayan.
Given all these predicaments, sir, you have the legal basis on the misuse of the fund.
Okay, okay.
Are there legal remedies in your mind to help the
Meron na. Lahat ito, the example yung PhilHealth na binara sila, yun yan. Hindi man nila pera ito lahat. Ito ang problema ngayon. Gastusin nila ito, naiwan what is left from the original nila. Kagaya nitong PhilHealth, 89 billion. Ang naiwan ay 29 billion na lang. So, kung walang pera, anong gawin nila? Maghirap.
But they juggle
Foreign
people's
balloon.
money.
Wala na sila majagol dyan. Ano ba jagol-jagol? Tignan mo, bakit ang majagol?
We transfer from private to public.
Hindi na ito, hindi na kailangan i-jagol. Andiyan na sa kanilang kamay. Ano pa jagulin nila yan? Spend it. Ayuda. Hindi na may jagol may ayuda.
Will you initiate the filing of charges? Will you initiate the filing of charges? Or will you make a move to stop the government from taking
Mayroon,
bills?
it is, tignan natin ang resulta sa Supreme Court, yung sa PhilHealth. So, para magkaroon tayo ng predicate on how to go about it.
They fear that you will call for a mass movement in Davao City given the situation from PhilHealth to the Quadcom and
Tignan ko
extrajudicial
lang.
killings.
Kung ano ka ako,
Mass mobilization of people power for that.
ang alam ko man, sinong pupunta lang doon, ikaw, pati ako, bakit naman
Gawa na sir, no?
alam ko man ang walang pupunta doon.
Why?
Mag-mass movement ako, tayo dalawa lang.
Sir, ano sila sir na nawala na daw to the magic of the 30 crowd?
Magic, wala na. Matagal na yung walang magic. Sinabi ko, retired na ako.
But when you say that,
Hindi ko na, I do not need to be on the front or at the back or on the side. Retired na ako. Ang rating ko, maski ilagay mo ako dyan sa 1 to 10, mamili ka, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Wala na ako, ano bang Duterte magic mo? Ano?
ikaw lang daw
Wala na
makatawag
ako.
ng crowd. It's only your word that can compel people to come together and raise the common voice of
Istorya lang yan, media, kaya ganun. Ganun ang ginawa ko noon, wala man lagi. Di ba?
well. So when you say that, it's the other way around, no? The history of the Duterte leadership in Davao says, pag sinabi mo yan, di ba yung nangyayari? Pag sinabi mo wala,
Wala
meron.
na. Ang tao, hindi na nakikinig sa akin yan.
Sure,
Kasi wala na akong power, matanda na ako. Nagkakay na ako, kaya the last time ako nagmotor, hindi ko na talaga kaya. 7 months ago, nagmotor ako ulit. Kalakad pa man ako ng gusto. Nung natumba ako, may kunting crack na dito, ayaw ko na rin po. Pero kaya balitan man ang nika. Sabi ko, katapos sabi ko, ano doon? Mag-cane pa rin ako. Oo, mag-cane ka. O di ayan lang ko, operahin, mag-cane na lang ko. Sugar cane na lang taan eh.
Mayor,
Natumba ako mga 7 months ago. Kaya ako, okay pa man sana ako. Tatawa, hindi pa ako ano. Hindi ako inutil. Ang masakit pa, kaya nga nagmotor ako ng magaan. Yung 600 lang, 800 kasi ang 1,000, 800. Yung Honda na blue na ano. Wala, pag matagal na talaga, pag ano ko, hindi ko nabawi sa ano.
Sir, given the situation na may perceived na problema no, between the Duterte and the Marcoses camp, ano yung advice mo sa mga tao who are wanting and who needed to hear your voice no, to bring back the people together?
To all Filipinos now listening to me, punta kayo kay Marcos lahat. Tignan natin kung anong mangyari. Mga Pilipino, nakikiusap ako, punta kayo kay Marcos, kay wala, hindi kami nagkipag-contest kay Marcos. Never. Wala kaming bilyon, trilyon na nakadeposito sa kung saan ang bangko. Sa utak lang yan, Trillanes.
Mayor, tinuto na kabayang at aso po ang Trillanes.
Ano?
Itong final kaso kay Trillanes. Nakapalit po.
Wala pa ako natumbang ako sumato.
Nag-file na ba yung kaso kay Trillanes after the Quadcom hearing?
Kaya nga, alam mo, pinapakita mo ng bangko, pikit talaga yan. Hindi ka makakuha ng... Kung magkuha ka ng sa bangko ng papel, bawal rin yan. Ngayon, kung balandra mo, bawal rin yan. Ipinasok mo doon sa Quadcom, use of falsified documents, another crime yan. Alam mo, hindi ko na ano kasi
Ngayon yung sinasabing disbarment daw kay dapat kay Vice President at impeachment against sa VP. Ano po ito yun?
si Inday,
Opo.
ay kay Guligayan, ang Inday impeach nila. Malayo pa man yung 2028. Di ba? Pasyal sa mga sa pasyal.
So she's running in 2028 for president.
Hindi. Wala siguro.
Sabi mo kasi malayo pa ang 2028. Therefore, yun ang conclusion.
Kaya pa, malayo pa. Doon na tayo, pagdating natin, mag-decide tayo kung tama na yung sabi ko nga kay Inday, tama na yung Vice President. Total patay niyan, Presidente na. Okay na yan.
Well, Mr. President, have you ever, there were reports that there were threats sa buhay ni Inday before sa mga, among his guards, and then, did she ever confer with you or talk to you about it?
We do not talk about politics in there.
No, not politics, security.
Security, kaya ni Inday. May security yan si Inday. Yung huwag kang maniwala, wala yung security.
Being the father, sa tayo mong gibat ito, nakita niyo siya na she was seeking for help and you were there. I suppose you were still awake that time. Gusto ito mong feeling na yun?
Lingaw.
Ganing sugol.
I am entertained. Wala mong nangyayari sa anak ko. She is not sure. Of course, there's yung hearing sa confidential funds niya. Bakit mo na ako magsabi na matakotin mo ako i-invest mo ako confidential fund? Sige, tanungin mo ako. What did you about you? You ask me. I'll give you the correct answer.
What happened to your confidential fund, supposedly, without?
Well, it was spent properly.
But why is she not answering the Congress now?
Confidential nga eh. Bakit sa tawagin yung confidential nung...
Pero yun kasi yung issue na ginagawa.
But you kept mum about it all along.
Kaya lahat yan sila, pagka yan si Martin Romualdez, pag binawa ng billion yan. Kaya, mausapan na naman. Maybe one of the things that I will do next is, of course, this time I will be appealing to every Filipino. Lahat na. Once and for all. Buhay man yung kuha, hindi man nasunog yung building nila, pero lang kung sunog niya ni andyan man yan, buksan natin lahat. Huwag na lang muna yung ibang ngayon yung this year lang. Tapos, pagkatapos, buksan natin next year. Buksan ng Congress. Ang Congressman, hinamong ko ba sila? To open your books. Ang sagot naman ito ni Trillanes, open your bank account. Makihati ka pa sa putang ng pera ko. You know, sa bangko, huwag kang magtanong kung saan ko nakuha yan. Kinukuha ko yan sa hold up, nakuha ko yan sa smuggling. Wala ka nang pakialam. Nandiyan nga sa bangko. Pero ito, simple lang. Opening of the bank. Pero hindi naman bangko yan eh. So,
Pero bingi man sila ngayon sa...
ang hindi talaga inu-audit. Telling you now, without batting on island, ang hindi inu-audit, Office of the President, pati Office of the Speaker. O di ako. magtanong ka ng witness. Katabi ko, speaker man yan. Tanongin mo ba kung may malakas ba na sira ulo dyan sa audit na mag-audit. Audit lang yan.
So Mayor, you are saying that you are open to opening the book of how she spent the confidential funds.
Of course, yes, too. Inaano lang nila yan. Hindi pa yun na careful masyado yan. Alam kasi niya. Kaya niya ingat.
So why can't she just explain it, Mayor?
I-explain na nga ha. Sa document nasa documentary ano ba. Ngayon pag na-present na lahat sa COA, kaya sa COA ang ibang dokumento eh. Kaya nga sabi niya si Laika, wag mo na munang ibigay dito. Kumpletuhin mo na yung COA audit namin.
But that was the reason that Attorney Silaika was cited for contempt.
That's the reason why should it be an interference kung sinabi ko, wag mo muna akong ipa-audit dito, tapusin mo yung audit doon, yung papeles nandiyan yan. What is wrong with that? What is contemptible sa...
In a word, how would you describe all these procedures from the Senate, the Congress calling you and your children for investigation?
No, I cannot talk for the Senate. The Senate, it's a bit forum, ano.
Well, at Congress,
Tanungin mo si Bibot man nandun, bakit ako tanungin, di ba ako?
how do you see this, no?
Siya.
Ikaw gani ang ipangutana. Kasi mo tanawan yung ginahimo ka rin sa Congress, no? It's you,
Wapo eh,
Vice President.
Bibot Alvarez.
Ikaw gani ang
Kaya nga kaya sa buti tayo.
Ikaw lang.
Ibukwa kanta ka ano.
Rayo. Basta na yung feeling na yan nga marag personal naman inyo.
Kayo naman, you are yung pretended naivety ninyo klaro masyado. Alam mo naman yung politika yan. Alam ninyo walang oposisyon, walang liberal. Kaya nga ako naman, I'm aghast na ang ano nila eh, naman Marcos pati Duterte. Bakit? Wala mo kami. Opposition kami, in the sense that we can talk against them on many issues. Pero hindi sabihin mo na, pero ang labas mo ng walang iba yung nawala yung nasyonalista, liberal, ako, PDP. But kami, kaya nga yung ano, ayaw ko.
So you're the opposition now.
Hindi man, but we will talk about issues against government. Or, if it is for the people, if it is for the interest of the people, and against if it is not good for the people.
So are you open for those other politicians who would come in and join your group?
Wala mang matapang na politician yan. Bebot lang ha.
Sir, there are
Na who will join you? Walang matapang?
Ha?
Na walang matapang na politician who will join your group?
Mas grabe. Ito bebot kaya military pa ano hila niya. Military wake up.
Sir, there are observers no from other countries.
Hindi
that says
ganito yan.
There's a silent martial law in the Philippines.
Correct. Yan. Ang tao ngayon wala nang mapuntahan. Kasi July ka. Biro mo, there was an order at a certain point yung the other night, dadalhin siya sa correctional institution. Kung natuloy nalagay siya, saan siya magtakbo? Hindi magagalaw itong Supreme Court kasi separation of powers. Lalo na Malacanang kasi itong baluslos bata niya. So itong tao walang natakbuhan. Yan ang sinabi ko. There is a fractured governance. Nabali lang, hindi lang na-sprain. There is a fractured in the governance sa ating Pilipinas ngayon. Walang makakorek niyan. Nobody can correct Marcos. Nobody can correct Romualdez. Nobody can. It's a long process mapapil sa Supreme Court unless you dala ka ng kaso doon, matagalan yan. Next year pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance, there is no urgent remedy. So it is only the military who says. Kaya ang sabihin ko, Presidente ako, nakita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin ang Presidente na in face of so many errors there, nagtupak-tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng breakage, fracture, a governor. It is only the military who can correct it.
Are you saying a military junta can answer?
No. Sinabi ko sa lahat yan, magtanong ka na sa dalawa niya, opisyal yan. Sinabi ng pagpunta. Sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, to answer your question, ibig ko sabihin ang military, well, it's an option sa military. One, they just can sit there sa upuan nila, doon sa bukid, maglinis ng baril. Sabi lang sila na we are not anymore hindi na sila kudita yung magpunta yung tangki digira noon. Sabihin lang nila na ayaw na namin yung laro ninyo. Out kami din. Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out, Mayor?
Getting out means just
Oh,
sitting down.
I don't know, basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan basta siyempre na military. You are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water. Pati kami in the coming days, mawawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasali sa inyo.
Silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest. Military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest na yun. Will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. They will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. That's it.
Sabihin na nga niya, Sir, huwag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo na yung pera. Kinuha ninyo sa GSIS. PhilHealth, 89.
Ito na sa mo survey?
Pinagbili nila, saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin sold amounting to 129 billion. At at least sa Congress kung may resolution tapos a bill that would correspond with it, there's an explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila na nakaalam nito. Yung Baharlika, sila na nakaalam nito. Walang participation ng people dyan pati ito. So, ganitong 25 tons. Alam ba ng military yan? Hindi sabihin nila, kung wala din, hindi na kami sasali ng laro ninyo.
Pero Mayor,
Ano
parang
gagawin nila?
play safe naman ang
How do you
military
describe
ngayon.
the military now?
Do you think si Browner po ay mag-react ito?
State yours. Can you restate your statement?
Can you expect that Browner will
When ito pag nilabas din ito, your question must also correspondingly appear. Importante yan. So, guard.
Oh, kasi may statement siya, dapat kapisan, dapat stay put lang kung military, wala naman siyang sinabi, no? In fact, si Inday nga nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung chief of staff. Ano daw makakatulog yung chief of staff?
Pagtagal na siya natulog, alam niya yung commander-in-chief niya nagdudruga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang ang hindi, ang mga polis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdameo nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung sip-on mag-usap kami, yung sip-on Lagdameo magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagtulo yung sip-on niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na si Lagdameo durugista. Alam ni Lagdameo na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung wala, pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command, puro military man. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana we cannot get it correct and accurate, true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would
The
give
right
up on
to be
his
heard,
dream, Mayor?
the right to be informed, importante yan. Constitutional provision yan, Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government, huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Maraming sabi, ganon, tantong. Hysterical yon, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa exact tanong. Mr. Military, give us that right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
It is short of challenging Browner na. It is short of challenging Browner na to act on it.
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have to challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the president who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, address sabi ko, wag tayo magbulahan. Alam ninyo yan noon, alam ninyo ngayon yan. Sabihin lang ninyo, kaya kung gano'n na lang, sabihin ko sa lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pilipinas, guys, follow the president. Start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Yung presidente, gano'n. The best example is gano'n.
But people are looking up to you as a patriot and nationalist. Ikaw yung
And then
hinihintay.
people looking at me because that president is silent. Kita mo na siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman dumaan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulika. Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan. Sigma Rowan. So marami yan siyang dyan.
But people are saying, pag mo si Tatay Digong, alsaming tanan. So how do you react to all this?
Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go all right. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
It's been sorry.
Kasi kung ang tao na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa,
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na they will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating record. We will ask. Tapos gano'n. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may maganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not
No nothing.
to enjoy just
No nothing.
You're just airing out as a citizen.
Mayor,
I mean,
to enjoy them to opt out.
what?
To opt out from supporting what you said was Adoro is the president. Are you not going to enjoin them to opt out?
Civilian ako. I have no authority to order.
No, not order, but just to enjoin them or
And I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayong magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, Davao, oo. Sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanongin lang nila yan. Kaya isang, kita mo kung hindi bangag. Sa may isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard, nag-suicide, minumurag. If you can tap the fingers and say, masyadong tulog, kunti na lang. Pero kung ako yun, isin mo lang, wala mo tulog. Kapi ka lang. Murahin mo, ba't ka napahiya ka? Sundalo ng pagkamatay. Oo, nabaril sa argument yun. Ito an argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the Colonel.
Mayor, yung PSG
Was with-
Mayor, what happened pala sa PSG nila? Suicide.
Colonel? Hindi ko nagsuicide yun.
Yung PSG
Yung PC nagsuicide. Minura niya. Ni Mrs. Marcos.
Kailan yan, May?
Kailan Mayor?
Bago lang.
Sino ka taga-mura? Ang babae o ang lalaki?
Siguro mga 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.
Mayor,
Mayor, may ano dito pa-ask daw, paano mag-react si Browner kasi ang sister ni Browner ay na-appoint ng Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Mayor, going back, what
Ano mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at the... Kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya, he would insist na matino, wala man siya magawa. That is his view. Now, for the others,
Mayor, from these happenings po, as a former president, how will you help your people from these sufferings?
again ma'am,
As a former president, how will you help your people from these sufferings?
suffering. Ma'am, sinasabi ko lang ngayon, there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied. There is no relief inside. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know.
How if,
Sila man yung protector ng konstitusyon.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
Let us approach the military. We approach the military for doing nothing.
Do you think, Mayor, takot sila?
Well, we clap our hands and say that the military is takot. Sinabi mo.
Hindi ko ba sila nagustuhan?
Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
what is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, oh.
What is the worst manifestation or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this government?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like...
The silent martial law.
Martial law is military takeover. Mayroon akong i-suggest. Ito itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas sa Congress, pambaluslos, pati ang presidente, they're now trying to be in cahoots. They would attempt to change the constitution. Diyan na ang magulo talaga niya. And to make Martin from speaker, ang transition to si Martin mag-transition to speaker to parliamentary prime minister. And there is the ceremonial president na lang si Marcos.
Sir, what's your reaction for the possibility of no L next year? No election. Possibility.
It can be possible. Wala yung cards wala sa Filipino. It's in the card. The cards is being held by Martin Romualdez and President Marcos.
drugs na issue. Na kuan po ni PNP Chief Martin na nagpagawa siya statement before na ang mga drug users daw kaya dili addict. Sa po yung comment na to nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime or extend ang ilang oras sa pagbanarbaho. From the PNP Chief mismo.
Ang
Ang mga users dili daw addict.
Drugs kay dili daw addict.
Dita.
Nagagamit lang daw sila, labi na daw sa mga trabahante para lang mag-extend ang ilang oras sa pagbanarbaho.
maganda yan. Maganda yan. So,
Why?
what is an addict? What is not an addict? An addict who uses shabu and continues to hit, inom. But the other kind of addict is trabaho, hit, para hindi makatulog, hit. Tapos at the end of the day, siya ang kakainin na makinarya niya. Kasi sabog na siya. Siya na yung papasok doon sa oil mill. O,
But Mayor, would it help if one person there, like si Martin Romualdez, would give up on his dream on becoming president in 2028?
wala na,
Wala nang pag-asa.
wala nang ngayon, mayroon akong suggestion sa military. Pero hindi ko muna bitawan dito. After I shall have talked to the military, pupunta man ako ng Manila, I'll be frank with them, ilagkan ko yung baraha, pareho rin dito, pero much more, dalhin ko yung mga tao na ganito ang nangyari sa pera natin. Pati itong gold reserve natin. Ilan na ba ang dollar piso nga?
59.
So may plano kayo ngayon na puntahan ang
25 plans.
magpunta ng Camp Aguinaldo? Meron kayo plano? Naka-schedule?
Ako?
Opo.
Hindi ako magtanong.
Yung sabi mo kausapin mo,
Iban. Hindi doon. Pero hindi rin tago. Yung freewheeling discussion, para sabihin nila nagkaplano ka ng kudita.
He's your brother, sir.
Ayaw ko yan. Kasi naging presidente nga ako.
But
Sir.
you're optimistic na the military will conquer.
Ayaw ko rin kung yung gusto lang. Yung kita ko na who share my same. Kasi wala ako, hindi naman nag-agitate talaga ng forcible removal.
pero wala pang schedule yun kayo.
Wala ako, malapit na. I don't know kailangan ko.
Would you have an appointment with General Bronner about this? Nantukan about this issue sa kanya?
The general,
Bronner.
it's useless. It's useless. He cannot talk for himself.
So ibang general, sir.
Hindi rin. Dito ako sa baba. Might as well talk to the Lieutenant Colonels.
The ground commanders,
Colonels,
you mean?
Lieutenant Colonels, and Major and down.
The ground commanders, you mean?
What if they do a loyalty check, Mayor?
Takot lang. Yung sa mga mababang posisyon, marami bang nagpapahiwatig yan, pero takot lang sila because sa chain of command.
You know, to the military, of course there is the military discipline. But if you can talk, if it is really to the interest of your country, why should you not?
Can they resort to loyalty check, Mayor?
Again?
They, among themselves, they're going to do loyalty check. The military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for the
It's among
military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Ano yung protector of the Constitution? That's a very... What does it mean to them? And what does it mean to tayong mga tao?
Hindi ba mahirap on your part, Mayor? Like, nung panahon ni, ng diktador noon, madali kasi everybody was in Manila. Right now, the Dutertes are based in Davao. Hindi ba mahirap to mobilize or
Hindi sila maniwala. Ako may pera ako. But why would I waste my money doing that? Wala naman akong kita. Ang ginagamit kong pagkain ngayon, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80.
Hoy,
Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medisina pati lifestyle ko?
ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Iyo.
Sir, given the fracture, but you are
Anak,
part of
paday
the
na ako.
whole. What is the equation?
Nantod ka ron?
Given the fracture, but you are still part of the whole. What is the equation?
Ayaw. Just give a statement. Bahala ka.
Mayor, what do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials and officers? Yung sinasabi mo. What do you expect from them after the meeting? After meeting them?
Military?
Yes, po.
Wala. Ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila that they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict. Na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can always check it out with the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kanilang trabaho yan eh. Protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if you protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo. Yun ang masunod.
Will you ask the military that question, Mayor?
Again?
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? Na the protector, are you going to ask them that?
Sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking.
Okay.
I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information eh. Saan na naman ang pera namin? So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito. PhilHealth. Contribution namin ito sa individual eh. Kayo, walang hindi sa salamat. PhilHealth. Tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan?
Yatag na sa ayuda, uy.
Ayuda.
Ngayon ko mo itong mga tao nakakaon.
Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi pinakuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation.
Enjoy si
And that I will tell ang sundalo, sabihin ko sa kanya, that is malversation.
Do you demand PhilHealth to mag-explain ito? Yung PhilHealth, do you demand na mag-explain ito sa public?
Na may Supreme Court injunction. Ano injunction?
Mag-explain ako sa public.
And then,
Ano injunction?
Bubulahin kayo niyan.
Mayor, what's your...
Kayo nag-comfort kayo kay VP Inday after nung Thursday na
Wala ka ganda. Tugas ang babae. Kumaldita niya. Dood ng...
Mayor, what's your reaction sa sinabi ng administration na hindi daw kayo isasubmit sa ICC, but if you are willing daw, makikipag-coordinate daw sila?
I heard Mr. Marcos say that if he wants to submit himself to the ICC, he cannot do anything. Mr. Marcos, Presidente ka man. Look at it, wala akong problema. Insignificant yan ako dyan. But if you are going to recognize ICC, you're eroding the sovereignty of the country. Mas mabuti pa, wag ko nalang idama yung bayan. Back up na lang ako, tapos kung may magpwede na taga-ICC, bigyan ako ticket. Doon ako sa korte nila, mag-exhibition ako.
I'm going my exhibition.
Sabihin ko man lang sa ICC, sino ang taong pinatay ko, pinakauna? Anong pangalan? Saan? Anong ginamit ko? At anong rason? Tapos, sinong pangalan ng tao na pinatay ko last? Bago umalit ako pagka-presidente. Saan? Bakit? At anong ginamit ko?
So you're willing to face the ICC?
Ay, at yung pinakagitna na sabi mong pinatay ko, kailan ang birthday noon?
ano masagot, Mayor?
Sila pulapot si Magellan yung pinatay mo.
Pero Mayor, isang question pa po, it's because of your admission daw during the Quadcom hearing. Sabi nila may task force na daw nagbinuo ang DOJ to investigate your
So, as I
admissions.
said that I ordered the killings?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Tinanong mo sana sino, saan, paano, at anong araw. Kasi yung kamatayan tayo, kada patay niyan, tatanong kita kung ano ang nangyari.
Thousands yun.
Wala. Preparar ka ng, hindi ka pwede maglay.
But on the investigation daw na binubuo ng DOJ ng
Di, ang investigations, nandoon ka sa polis. Huwag ka kumuha kaya ang polis matiga-investigar. O doon mo malaman.
Did you bite the hook ba during the
Wala naman doon na extrajudicial killing, care of Rudy Duterte.
Naoy. Ano si Trillanes?
Trillanes, huwag mo na lang, ako gusto kong patulan. Pero alam mo talaga, hopelessly po. Talagang po, wala ka rin makuha. No use to engage a person na dreamer.
But they're saying you did a lot of biting. Personally, did you bite the hook while they were fishing?
Ano?
They're telling, they're saying that you've admitted a lot, and you were saying that they are into fishing expedition. Have you remembered a moment that you bite the hook of the Congress?
Kayo, nakikinig man kayo.
Ikaw.
Wala nga. Ako na nakikinig man kayo. Was there, did I take the hook? Bait?
Yeah.
Yes, Mayor.
Saan?
When you said that, you ordered the killing.
Oh,
And also when you said that there was a...
the killing of what? Chickens, ang sinabi ko doon. Kung ano yan, no?
Hala ka, ikaw nagpatay sa kanila.
Look, because they were stupid persons ask me questions. I was answering them stupid answers. Oh, what did you admit? Yes, I admit what? Because they would like to hear na anong gusto nilang what would like to hear. So binigay ko siya na, yes, I made feelings. Pagdating mo, what about this statement? Good look. If you ask a silly question, you get a silly answer. If you are an ignoramus, you get an ignorant. Thousands of chickens. Marami ko pinatay.
Mayor, on the lighter note, anong feeling na katabi kayo ni Dilima?
Wala, hindi ko talaga matagal ko na-realize. Hindi kasi ganun siya palagi. Hindi talaga there was never a time na nag-ganon siya. Tignan mo kamera.
Pero nung almost mo ibinato yung mic, ano siya, concerned siya sa'yo eh.
Kaya naman. Kasi yung mic nakatali pala. Binunot ko ng ganon. Ito sana kaya walang ano. Yung microphone ba, may pag ganon ko. Dali.
Mayor, nasaktan daw po si Dilima, sinabihan yung natuwa.
Wala akong sinabi niya, Noy. Ano sinabi ko daw? Doon sa ano? Obit daw.
Mayor, ano po ang reaction natin tungkol sa sagot ni President PBM na sa pagtatangka ni VP Sara? Sabi ni PBM, yung ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalampas. Any reaction?
Huwag niyang panampasin. Anong gawin niya? Gawin niya yung gusto niya. Wala ako dyan kayo. Kita mo hindi ako sumasagot kay Pagdalo. Ano ang sino nagsabi? Hindi ako Mayor. Sugutin niya. Yung Mayor, na nasa baba niya. Sa Manila kasi lalo rin sana. Walang katugan.
Mayor, nakikita mo yung sa mga social media ng mga reaksyon ng mga tao at ang balita ay si government, yung mga reaksyon nila is bahaghat, yung mga images na bahaghat.
Bakit?
Saka solid Duterte pa rin. Marami Duterte pa rin. Ibalik ang Duterte. How do you feel about it?
Wala na yan. Kasi I'm out. I'm finished. I am finished. I'm retired.
Nag-usap pa kayo uli ni Body Trump mo?
May plano akong tatawag.
Okay.
Tatawag, anong sasabihin mo, Mayor?
Sabihin ko, Trump, tayo mo ba?
Mayor, tuloy ang pag-mayor natin, Mayor. Mayor, tuloy
Hindi
ang
talaga ako
pag-mayor.
pagkalulit.
Pag-ion pala siya.
Babalik pa.
Babalik na lang.
Balik pa ka din ka!
Short break. Bye, Pip.